Hey everyone, it's G here. So today I'm making some banana bread muffins. That is paleo. It is part of the paleo diet, paleo version. So what does that mean, paleo? That means that it's dairy-free, grain-free, gluten-free. Okay? So we'll make some great little banana muffins today, some banana bread muffins. I'm sure you guys will love it. So excited to show you that in a sec. So see you shortly. Be on in a sec. Okay guys, so for the banana bread muffin we're making, paleo. Again, it is paleo. So there's no dairy, it's gluten free, no grains. So here are the ingredients we're gonna need. I have the bowl here ready. It calls for 3 cups of bananas smashed. So I have two bananas. I'm gonna peel, cut them up, put them in a bowl, smash them. We'll need some almond butter. You'll need some a half a cup of almond butter, a half a cup of coconut flour. This is coconut flour here. We're gonna need some maple syrup. That's it. And then I'm gonna add walnuts, which is optional, but what the recipe calls for is dairy-free chocolate chips. So if you wanna, I'm not a big fan of chocolate, so that's why I'm gonna replace the dairy-free chocolate chip with walnuts. So your last ingredient, however you want to flavor your banana muffin with, you can add it. I'm using walnuts. You can do the chocolate chip as the recipe calls. The recipe is going to be in the description of this video, so you can check out the recipe. Anyway, so those are the ingredients you're going to need. So I'm going to take all these ingredients, combine them, put them all in a bowl, mix it all together. That'll be the batter for the muffins. So back in a sec. Okay guys, so here in the bowl I have the three cups of banana smash. So the bowl is here ready. And that was basically about four medium-sized bananas that I cut up and smashed. So that's bananas. It calls for 3 cups of smashed bananas, a half a cup of almond butter. There's almond butter back there. You pour it in. All this is going to be mixed into this one ingredients here. So I'll be mixing this in a minute, but I'm putting all the ingredients in. So this is a half a cup of almond butter. Okay, and then this is half a cup of coconut flour. This is the coconut flour I'm using back there, which is Bob's Red Hill. Bob's Red Hill coconut flour. So I have a half a cup coconut flour. Put that in there. We'll mix this all together. And the last is I have 100% pure maple syrup. It calls for a half a cup. So the same container that I use here for the almond butter, which is a half a cup measurement tool. I'm going to pour in the maple syrup in here. Oh, sorry, let me get this spoon out of the way. You guys can see. Okay. Do a half of maple syrup. Okay. Pour that in. And then that's it. So that's what we're gonna mix together. So we're gonna mix that all together. Mix it up now. And the last ingredients we're gonna put in is I'm gonna put in the walnuts, because I'm gonna use walnuts. But again, if you want to use the dairy-free chocolate chips as the recipe calls for, you can use that. But I'm gonna put walnuts. So I'm gonna mix this up first. Be back in a sec, and then we'll pour the walnut in, and that'll be the batter for the muffins. So back in a sec. Okay, so my little helper here he's helping me mix the dough together. So again, we're mixing everything that all the ingredients in one bowl. It's hard, yeah, because it's thick. So he's mixing that all. So this is almost ready. Be careful. And the last thing I'm gonna do is add the walnuts, fold it in, and then getting ready to put it in the bake pan. And while you're making the ingredients, mixing the ingredients, make sure you have your oven preheated. Your oven needs to be preheated to 350 degrees, because we're going to bake this in 350 degrees. So make sure your oven is preheating while you're mixing the dough. Okay, so back in a minute. Okay, so we have a 12 pan muffin pan here. Cupcake pan. So my little helper here is taking out the little cupcake holders and putting it in the pan. It's getting ready for the banana muffins. So we're going to be able to make 12 of these. Okay. So back in a sec. Okay, so we're almost done with the muffin pan. Okay, so you have one more to do. we go ahead and put the last one in. Okay,
You
there
still
you go.
gotta see, I know that because you see how large that is?
Yeah.
That's how many it is.
Okay, so now it's time to put the dough in the pan and get these in the oven. Okay, so now the dough is ready. I added my walnuts to not eat, so my little helper here is putting them in the. I'm putting them in the. Yep. We're starting to put the dough in the little muffin holders, and he's just smashing them a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and get
That's not
all.
enough.
We're gonna get all 12 of these filled up with dough, and then we're gonna transfer this into the oven. So thanks to the helper. So we'll be back in a minute, guys. To show you. We'll show you. We'll come back when everything, when all the muffin pans, little pans are filled. I'll come back and we'll get ready to put them into the oven.
Yeah, that one was it.
Okay, everyone. So we got the muffins. So here we go. Everything is in. All 12 muffin pans are filled with the banana muffin dough, so it's ready to bake. So I got the oven preheated, so you're gonna bake it on 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, and so there we go. We got the muffins. They're in the oven. Again, we're gonna bake them on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And as the recipe stated, you don't have to worry about these rising up or overflowing. So that's a good thing to know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on now. They're in there for 350 degrees. You're gonna bake for 20 to 25 minutes on 350. So I'll be back in 30 minutes to show you guys what it looks like when it's all ready and done. Bye for now. Okay guys, so here they are. Muffins are out the oven. They're done. Everything is done. So as instruction has stated, these don't rise like typical muffins do. Although they may look like they're not cooked, but they are. I already took the toothpick. I plugged the toothpick in them, and they're moist, ready to go. So now just to leave them, leave them here, let them 10 to 15 minutes, let them cool down before I try one. Okay, well that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you do try them, throw me some comments here in the YouTube channel. Let me know what your thoughts were, how you like them, etc. We'd love to get your feedback. So thanks again. So this is, again, this was the Paleo Banana bread muffin. So again, if you do try and let me know, I would appreciate that. I would love to hear your feedback. That'd be awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Okay, so I took all the muffins out, and I'm ready to have one. So let me go ahead to cut this in half so I can show you guys that it is done and ready to eat. So let's cut it in half. Here we go. So I'm gonna enjoy these muffins. Again, thanks for watching. Throw me any comments if you guys try it. I'd love to get your feedback. That'd be awesome. Bye guys, and enjoy your Paleo banana bread muffin. Have a great day. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in my next video.